For today I will try the impossible. I will try dropshipping even though I have got absolutely no experience with this thing whatsoever. I have never done it before, I have never created a website in my life, and to make things even harder I will try to spend as little money as possible. The reason I'm making this video is because I've seen just so many people saying that you can make money with dropshipping even as an absolute beginner, and today I decided to test this myself and see if we can actually turn a profit. The plan for the very first day was pretty simple. I just needed to sit down, open TikTok and search for either TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. The first product that I really liked was this mosquito trap that was selling at around $35, so there will definitely be a lot of profit left after product costs and any possible marketing. However, on a second thought, I realized that now that the summer is over, we don't see that many mosquitoes around, so the demand for this product must be going down, and this isn't probably the best time to sell this product. Apart from that, I do believe that this product is kind of unique to this particular store, since I couldn't find it anywhere either on AliExpress or Zendrop. I started scrolling again, and after a few minutes I actually moved over from TikTok to YouTube looking for winning products, and I came across these portable perfume bottles that I could sell and make a profit. The problem with perfume bottles is that the scent will only last for a couple of moments, and since most of the people don't want to carry away huge bottles of perfume, then you can use these portable perfume bottles, which are basically the size of a finger, and you can keep it on your pocket. I started to watch a few videos on YouTube and see if this product could be really called the winning product, and it basically solves a problem, it's easy to ship and seems to be non-breakable, so I will not have any problem with refund requests. With that being said, this was the product that I decided to pick and go forward. After finding the winning product, it was time for me to create the website. But there is one single problem: I have absolutely no idea how to create a website. Just like any other person looking for help, I went to YouTube and started watching tutorials on how to build an e-com website. After jumping back and forth between a few videos, I got an ad playing that really attracted my attention somehow. This guy was basically claiming that he and his team would build a Shopify website for you absolutely for free in less than 15 or 20 minutes. I was very skeptical at first, to be honest, but since all I needed to do was just a few clicks here and there, I decided to give it a try. Now, this guy even claimed that he was going to preload the store with something like 20 winning products, so I basically had nothing to lose but try. I went through his website and through the prompts where I basically need to give them permission to create my store, and even got recommended to use Zendrop as a supplier, and after about 20 minutes or so, my store was surprisingly ready. Now let me tell you that I aim for full transparency on this video, so here is the store that the guys created for free, and it basically had the homepage, the products page and the contacts page. As I told you earlier, this was going to be a one product only store, and right after I connected Zendrop to my store, I could potentially search for products, and these products will have their own high quality pictures that not only show different photos of the product, but also show you how you can actually use the product, which is a really good thing. Now, one of the most important things for this product, for example, is to show how small it actually is, and some people might not get the sense of its size simply through measures, but they can understand it very well when they see this picture, and that's why I made sure to put this picture on the homepage. For the next step, I needed to come up with a professional name for the website, and I thought of using Mini Perfume Bottles as its name. However, there was no way I would pay $90 just for the domain, so I just left it at the default. Now for the next step, it was time for the logo design. I went directly to canva.com, and it only took me something like 10 minutes to create this logo, and not only was it free, but I didn't even need to sign into the website to download the design, and that was pretty awesome. And if you just don't want to pay any money to Canva to get the PNG version of the icon, you simply go to Google and search for something like background removal online, and you can have your own PNG icon for free. Now just a quick recap so far, guys. The website was built absolutely for free. I haven't spent any money on the domain, and since I don't intend to run any ads for the store but rely on TikTok Organic, I will simply order the product and shoot a couple of TikToks with it. After checking on Amazon, it said that it is expected to deliver in 4 days. However, I was looking for something quicker, and after researching a little bit on the internet, I managed to find it on a local website. The best thing was that I could simply go to their warehouse/shop and pick it up by myself at any moment. Since I wanted to launch my store as fast as I could, I decided to pick up the product myself. I have a professional Sony camera in there and also an iPhone 12 somewhere in here, and the shooting of the videos was not going to be a problem in terms of quality. intuitive. However, I needed an idea on what approach to use for my ad creatives, so I went on TikTok and searched for portable perfume bottles. I could as well use some of the existing videos, but since I'm an absolute beginner with this thing, I didn't want to have any issues with copywriting, so I simply replicated some of the videos I found useful on TikTok and shot 3 ad creatives. At first I was afraid that this product would be a scam and not deliver what it promised. However, once I had it in my hands and tried it myself, I saw that this product really solves a problem, and ethically speaking, I felt just right about selling this one. As soon as I had the product in my hand, I started shooting TikToks with it after getting a few ideas from what was already working on the platform. In order for this whole TikTok organic strategy to work, you need to shoot the ad creatives, edit them, and then upload them on TikTok with the hope that the people will click the link on your description. However, you can only put the link up in there only if you have 1,000 followers or more. Luckily for me, I had an old account with more than 1,000 followers, and that was just perfect because I could simply put the link there straight away. I decided to upload these simple videos where I included the famous "wait for it" and even a call to action at the end of the video. The best part is that I've got an ongoing subscription with Epidemic Sounds, so I knew that I wasn't going to have any issues with copyrighted music. As I told you earlier, I'm an absolute beginner with this one, and very honestly I've never uploaded any videos on TikTok whatsoever, so I was very happy getting a few thousand views on TikTok. Even though the videos I was posting were not going viral, I still managed to get a few visitors on my first ever store. By this time I had seen just so many videos on TikTok Organic, and there were people saying that you could as well post 2 videos per day for days in a row and still make no sales. Even though none of my videos went viral, I still managed to get one sale at the amount of 15 euros, which is pretty much $15. Watching video from different YouTubers makes it feel like dropshipping is the easiest thing in the world, where you basically just need to create a random website, find the product, run some ads and make tons of money. However, once I tried it myself, I realized that the reality was quite different. Even though I spent some days learning how this thing works and then spent even more days on the ad creatives, I only managed to get one sale. Now for this challenge, I didn't spend any money on ads since I relied on TikTok Organic. I didn't pay anyone to create the ads because I decided to create those myself. I didn't spend any money with TikTok marketing since I had an old TikTok with a few followers on it and an active Epidemic Sounds account, which allowed me to use copyright-free music. If I would start this from scratch, however, and not have these 2 things, that $15 probably wouldn't be enough to cover for the expensive. So even though I managed to make my first sale with dropshipping, I can say that with this challenge we're pretty much breaking even. In the future I intend to run paid ads, so subscribe if you want to follow my journey and check out this other video when I share my own YouTube results.